Hey there fellow makers, welcome to DIY Online. In today's video we are going to dive into the world of robotics and show you how you can build your very own IR controlled car using Arduino. To make this project you will need L298N motor driver module, Arduino board. I am using Arduino Uno. This is the IR remote. This is IR receiver module. These are the lithium ion batteries. We need battery holder. We are using 4 gear motors. These are the wheels of the robot. This is the car's chassis. Few nuts and bolts. These are the hex spacers. These are the motor speed encoders which we will attach to motor, and few jumper wires. Now let's start making of the project. Now I am taking black wire and soldering it to the motor. Now red wire also similarly I am soldering it to the motor. Now all the motors I have soldered. Now we need this chassis and I will attach this motors. We need this and nuts and bolts. Now let's start the fixing of the motor. Now we need to insert this into the part of the motor and we will screw it from the other side of the motor. Now the assembling of this motor has been almost done. Now we need to do it similarly for the other side of the motors. Now let's attach this motor speed encoders to all the motors. We need this 6 pieces and now we will take this upper part of the chassis and also attach it to the hex spacers. Now after assembling, this is the look of the robot. Now we will need this motor driver and Arduino board and some of these jumper wires. I have given the circuit diagram in the description. Now we will take this IR receiver board and connect its wire to Arduino board. Now I have fixed all the components on the chassis using the double-sided tape. Now we will connect our robot to the computer. So this is the code of the project. To upload the code we need to download the library. Click on include library and manage libraries. Now here in the search bar search for IR remote. Now scroll down and download this library by Serif. I have already installed it. Now click on tools and select your board. Mine is Arduino Uno. Now again select your port and now click the upload button. Now wait for a while till the code is being uploaded. Code is being uploaded now. It's uploaded. Now open the serial monitor. Now press the buttons of the IR remote. Now we get many values but we only need the command value. Now we'll press all the buttons one by one. Now we have to copy this command values. So I'm copying it now. I've copied the value. Now go down to the case section and paste it there one by one according to the keys. So repeat this step till the last case, and now what we have to do is just upload the code again. So now our code is being uploaded successfully. Now let's test it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more fantastic DIY projects, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tech adventures. Thanks for watching.